Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about Instagram hacked recovery and how you can get your account back step by step. If your Instagram account has been hacked, don't worry, you can try recovering it through Instagram's Help Center. First, open your browser and search for Instagram Help Center. Once you're on the site, type hacked account into the search bar. Tap on the first result that appears, which will guide you through the recovery process. On that page, you'll see a link that says, visit this page, go ahead and tap on it. You'll then be asked to enter your username or email address linked to the hacked account. After entering the required information, scroll down and tap on No when it asks if the solution helped. Then tap on The solution doesn't work. Instagram will now show you a message field. Write the message exactly as shown on the screen or follow the given prompt and then tap on Submit. This will send a request to Instagram support team and they will contact you with further instructions to verify your identity and recover your hacked account.